a web-footed, red-crested lake loon. Now, where would a web-footed, red-crested lake loon be heading? Toward the lake, don't you understand? You see, instead of just sitting there, you got to use all your senses. That's nature's pointer. We just follow that sound, and it's a shortcut home.
Gosh, Barney.
Come on, let's get started. The sound came from right over.
You're right again, from that way.
Right.
Hey, boys. Come in, look who's coming. There comes Barney Fife, a true pioneer if I've ever seen one.